Hello students, in this video we are going to understand the importance of financial planning. Why financial planning is so important for the organization? Because it is an indispensable tool. It is such an equipment with the help of which the organization gets enabled to do the correct calculation of the requirements with the help of the available funds and the funds which they'll be needing in future. So planning is obviously very important because all the other functions are absolutely based on planning, and financial planning is the same. So the financial planning helps the organization to see the situation in present and anticipate the situation for the future. Let's understand its importance with the help of 8 points. The first point says financial planning ensures smooth running of an enterprise. Now that's a very simple importance which explains, because how the smooth running will be possible only when there will be proper availability of funds at the time when it is needed and with the help of the accurate source. So that is the first important, which makes sure that the organization is having a smooth working environment without any disturbance, without any interruptions. The second objective explains helps to prepare backup plans. What if the organization is facing the problem with the plan which has to be executed? So planning is always better when it is done with the backup. So financial planning is another again making sure its importance is that not only the plan which has been prepared for the future is only one which will be executed, but there has to be a backup also, because we can never guarantee future. What if something changes? If there is more critical and problematic situation in the future, the organization should always be ready with the second solution, that is with the backup plan. Point number 3 explains it facilitates in anticipating future requirements. Now what is anticipating future requirements? Anticipating means guessing, interpreting that what is going to be required in the future, and it is always advisable to move one step ahead than the competitors whenever it is required. So the organization is not a situation of crisis, is not facing any kind of scarcity or lackness of funds when it actually needs it, because the finance manager has already done that and it in advance. The anticipation has already been done, and on the base of this anticipation, which is for the future, the required funds has already been collected and arranged. So whenever it will be required, the organization will not face any kind of scarcity because it has already arranged the resources, financial resources with itself. Next one is it facilitates coordination. Right now, most important term is coordination, because it automatically makes the work very smooth. Coordination means when the work is done in a proper systematic manner, and here the coordination is getting built between various departments. So every department activities needs fund for its running. Every department is asking for more and more capital. So what is important? That if some department is getting more funds, definitely there will be shortage with some other. So important is that when these plans are getting prepared, all the department requirement has to be kept in mind, right? The department requirement has to be kept in mind, and there has to be proper coordination that every department is getting enough funds which they are needing at the time of execution of any activity, and no department is facing the scarcity of funds problem. The next importance is it increases the efficiency of operations. The operation efficiency increases how? By curbing the wastage of funds. Curbing means eliminating, curtailing. So now the wastages of funds are getting put down, and that is with the help of financial planning. The finance manager can easily observe and see that where the funds are getting invested unnecessarily without giving any refunds, and important is to remove that. Important is to reduce that. So that is easily done in the financial planning. So that is again one of the objective. Next objective, it helps to establish link. Now the link is getting established between present and future. Obviously every plan is done in present for the future. So here the future plans are getting prepared. The financial requirements are getting anticipated in present for the future operations. Then the second last point we have, it's a continuous link between the investment and financing decisions. Financing decision is a decision which we have already studied earlier, and there it has got three different parts, right? I hope you remember that there is investment decision, there is finance, there is dividend decisions, right? And there is financial decision. So all these three decisions are being linked up with the investment. How the funds will come, from where the funds will come, at what time the funds will come, if the funds are coming, actually are they generating, are they getting utilized in the proper manner, what returns are they giving, the shareholders who are giving the funds, are they getting the proper returns or not. Every single thing is calculated and checked in the financial planning. That's why it is very important to have it in the organization. And the last point finally explains, it facilitates easy performance. By it, easy performance as evaluation standards are set. So with the help of financial planning, it is very easy to evaluate, it is very easy to check the performance, as the sets are already clear, specific and measurable terms are already given. Mostly the performance is being checked in the quantitative form. So here that quantitative form has to be set and crossed on the basis of the sets which are given, specification and measurable terms. So to calculate that anything which the finance manager has planned on the paper has been executed in the same manner and giving the exact results which were being calculated earlier for the future. So here we are winding up with this topic of financial planning. See you in the next video. Thank you.